Hi, it's Catherine here, creator of Too Busy to Blog and the Batch Create and Automate Bootcamp. And this is the free 5-day blog batching challenge. And we are prepping for our batching. So I have been taking you through some quick steps to do to prep for your batching week. Or if you're doing 2 weeks, then to prep for your batching 2 weeks, whatever it may be. Okay, so the step today is really simple, but it's maybe the most time-consuming prep step, and that is to create the title images for your blog posts. So yesterday you decided on what your subjects of your blog post that you'll be batching will be. So today you will be creating the images that will go at the top of those blog posts and firming up the title of the blog. Which will go onto the image. So I'm talking about the images that go at the top of the blog post, also can be used for promoting the blog post on social media and so on, and it will have the title in the image. So that's what you need to do today. So you can use Canva or any other image creation software. So it's the reason why I want you to do this now. So do it for all the blogs you'll be batching. Don't just do it one and write the blog and do another one and then write the blog. Just batch all your images at once, and then you're going to create the blog content next week when you're actually doing your batching challenge. So if you get this done beforehand, it will give you a massive head start. I talk about this a lot more in the bootcamp. It's called my Skip to the End strategy, and I explain the reasons behind it in the course and more information. But that is basically what you need to do. So just trust me on this one. Create the images first, and then see how you feel next week when you already have the images done, the header images done. So yesterday you decided on your subject, so now it's time to firm up the titles of the blog posts while you create the image. So you can always adjust them later on when you write your blogs next week. If you decide to change the title, then do so, of course. But yeah, what I just say is try to think of a title that has some sort of curiosity aspect to it. So for example, one of the topics I'm going to be batching on is Epping Forest, which is an area near London which is really nice for outdoor activities, hiking and walking and cycling and things like that. But I could just call it a guide to Epping Forest, but it doesn't sound interesting, so I think I'm gonna call it something like an oasis for East Londoners or something like that, that makes people think, oh, what is that? Where is that? That kind of thing. So do you see what I'm getting at? So try and do that with your titles too. So I am going to be doing that tonight. I'm finding it really hard to get any computer time. I'm going to do a little bit while I feed my baby. She's just, are you okay down there? Yeah? I'm going to do a bit while I'm feeding my baby, and maybe in the evening while I'm sitting down, I'm just going to try and get it done as much as I can. And just the thing is that I talk about a lot is to get used to good enough. If an image is good enough, I'll just go with it. I won't spend hours tinkering and tweaking that image. This is a batching project. I want to get them done as quickly as I possibly can. So that is what I'm going to be trying to be doing today. So it's the most time-consuming prep step that there is, but it really brings you a lot of benefits, I find. So that is the step. I'll let you know how I get on at the end of this video, I hope. Speak to you later. Bye-bye.